Now let's find, let's see, 15% of what number is 10? Now let's go ahead and figure this out. Go ahead and replace all your keywords. 15% of means times what number, we have no idea what it is. So let's let x equal what number, right? Is another way of saying equals in math. 10, just bring it down. So you got 15% times x equals 10. Go ahead and bring 15% into decimal form, okay? Whenever you're given a percentage in this kind of equation, go ahead and simplify the percent into a decimal. So 15%, in order to make it a decimal, we've got to move it 2 places to the left, right? So remember that 15% is a whole number, 15, right? The decimal place is in the back of the 15. You move it over twice. Brand new number, now that we removed the decimal, we divided it by 100, we moved over the decimal twice to the left, it's going to be 0.15. So instead of writing 15%, we're just replace it by 0.15 times x equals 10. So now, in order to undo multiplication, divide by what? The number coefficient, which is 0.15. 1500s cancel out. X is equal to 10 divided by 1500. So let's do it. 10 divided by 1500. Now, whenever you're dividing by a decimal, you gotta go ahead and make sure that this divisor reflects the same in your dividend. Divisors must be whole numbers, so let's make it a whole number. That's 2 spaces. And this is a whole number right here, right? So go ahead and move that, the imaginary decimal in the back of that whole number, 2 spaces. So 1, 2. So this brand new number now becomes 1000. So let's see how many times 15 goes into 1000. Does 15 go into 1? No. Does 15 go into 10? No. Does 15 go in 100? Yes, it does. Let's see how many times. It goes in 6 times. 15 times 6, right, is 5 times 6 is 30. 0 right here, 3 goes up. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 3 is 90. So 15 times 6 is 90. Put 90 right here. 100 minus 90 is 10. Bring down to 0. 15 into 100. That's going to go in 6 times. So then subtract by 90. We're going to get another 10. And then if we bring down another 0, it's going to be another 100. And it's just going to be 66.6 with a bar over it. It's just going to be 66.66666. So I just got the decimal from our dividend. Dividend always matches the quotient. If we have a decimal point in our dividend, it has to be the same spot in our quotient. So x equals 66.6 with a bar over it.